Goodbye by the boss. Hi, you all know me. You all know me as the boss of our batch or maybe generation because certainly I give off the vibes. I'm the ruler and ready to conquer the whole world. You all know me as a person who has set up a stereotype that emotions are the grave that we dig constantly and the foundation of our downfall from the cliff of self esteem. Well, that's at least what I believe. But some of you know me as a talkative, a bit protective, rational thinker, and a person who loves to give people her life advices. Which are helpful or not, I don't know. But you have to listen. So sad. Because I'm the boss, right? So, this is for the few people who know me in this way. Thank you for having patience of listening to this crackhead, whom you all cannot describe. For some, I'm a princess, for some, a tigress, though no one knows me, who I am. Yes, I know I am a mystery. So let's keep it a mystery, because my tenure as a nasty boss, princess, and tigress has come to an end. So this is a goodbye. Goodbye. Though I know no one is going to be that sentimental, but yes, it is a goodbye. Now you all are free from being ruled by the boss, at least for now, because more people deserve to be stuck in this mystery novel. So, for the last time, you all hear from this crackhead that ruled or was being ruled is what you have to decide. Bye, Nightmare. Like, share, subscribe.